Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are doing well in your lives and enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a project on healthcare domain and it is in on machine learning. It uses machine learning. The topic of the project is to detect the diabetes. Okay, diabetes detection we are doing using machine learning algorithms. Multiple machine learning algorithms we are going to apply here. So basically, you can see this is the landing page. It's a web application which we have created after deployment of machine learning model such that any user can come to this platform and they can predict the diabetes results. This is the landing page of our project. Let me tell you what are the technologies we are using. For front-end development, we are using HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript for this project. For backend programming, we are using Python here along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python to develop web applications. We are using MySQL database right now, but this project I have also integrated in AWS real-time cloud. If your requirement is that, let me know. Okay, I will be able to guide you to integrate this project on AWS real-time cloud as well. So let us see okay, how the project execution flow is there. Before that, this is a web application. Let me show you how we have trained the model and EDA analysis, everything about the project. It's a notebook here, Jupyter notebook file, where we are doing many things to train the model and finally deploy the model. And I cannot explain you this code, but try to understand this is not the right time to explain this. I'll just give you the glimpse of this okay notebook. Loading the data set, displaying the top five records, displaying the bottom five records, information about the data frame, okay, how many null values are there, and what are the data types are there in our data set. These are all our columns considered for diabetes prediction. Pregnancy is the column, glucose, blood pressure, skin thickness, insulin, BMI, diabetes, pedigree function, age, and outcome. Okay, how many null values are there in our columns? There are no null values are there, zero. Okay, now we are indexing the columns here. Next, EDA analysis, performing some EDA analysis here. And creating the columns of pregnancies and outcome here. Graph, outcome graph, pregnancy graph, outcome graph here. Columns in our data set, data frame, pregnancy values, and some charts here, heat map, checking for outliers. Okay. Insulin greater than or equal to 346. Heat map, displaying the heat map, again some charts. Applying machine learning based models here. Okay, you can see what are the models we are applying. These are all the models. Logistic regression is there. Only neighbors is there. K nearest neighbor classifier is there. Support vector classifier is there. Decisionary classifier, Adabus classifier, exibus classifier. Okay, building the model and all the models have been trained here successfully. And before hyperparameter tuning, displaying the results here. And after hyperparameter tuning, this is the result. Okay, after hyperparameter tuning. And deploying the models here. KNN, okay, gradient boosting, AdaBoost, and SVC. Let's go to our web application. And here we have got two different types of users. One is the administrator and the second one is the normal user. Let me open in different tabs. This is administrator and let me open user in new tab. First of all, let's go to user and try to register a new user here. Let's try to provide the details here. Age 25. Let's say 45 here. Email ID. Phone number. Kindly provide here the valid mobile number because we are going to receive here SMS directly to this mobile number. Okay. In this project, we are using real-time SMS API. So you will receive directly an SMS to your mobile number, what you have given here. Create a password which is very strong and 8 characters. Let's provide this. Upload picture. Profile picture. Submit. And your account was created. Let's go to user and try to log in here the same credentials. Here you can see your OTP verification was in pending. Submit the OTP verification. So we have to submit the OTP here. Hopefully, I will receive OTP in my mobile number. After that, let me provide the OTP here. I have received the OTP. It's 2652. Submit. And OTP verification is successful. Let's try to perform login now. And it says the application is responding. Warning, your request was in pending. Please try after some time. OTP verification is successfully done, but my account authorization has not been done from the administrator. So that's why I am unable to log into the application. Let's go to the administrator and try to perform the authorization for this user. I'll do admin login here. And after that, login is successful. You can see here we have created a dashboard kind of user interface for administrator where we can see some information like how many users are there. 1, pending users is 1, rejected user is 0, accepted user 0, number of data sets uploaded, number of predictions made. Now here left side you can see user management. Under user management, if we go, we have the option here pending users, under which we can see a user is there whose OTP is verified. Okay, this is important. If this is not verified, the administrator will not accept the account. So the OTP verification is done, but the account status is pending. Let's accept this user account. And once it's done, user was accepted. No pending user is there. If we go to all users, we will find the user is available here. If you want in case to delete this user, we can delete it. Now here in the administrator, let's explore other options. Data set. Okay, let's go to data set and upload the data set here. Select the dataset file, upload. Your dataset was uploaded successfully. Let's go to view dataset option. And here the dataset is uploaded. Let's click on view dataset. And we are able to read the data here. Complete dataset we are reading here, all the records from our dataset. Okay, how many records do we have? Almost 700 change records we have. All the records have been displayed here of our data set. Okay, pregnancies, glucose, blood pressure, skin thickness, insulin, BMI, diabetes, glycemic function, age, and outcome. Now let's go to algorithms and execute all these. Okay, 5 algorithms. First algorithm, execute algorithm, and run this algorithm. Algorithm is executed successfully, and we can see here this algorithm accuracy, precision, F1 score, and recall. Okay, 78.57% of accuracy overall. Let's go to the second add a boost algorithm and execute this. Algorithm executed successfully, 75.32%. Let's go to KNN and run this algorithm as well. 79, okay, quite better. Let's execute SVC algorithm. Executed 82.47 up to the mark till now. SVC is performing very well. Now let's go to decision tree and check this algorithm, what accuracy does it performs. It is 75.32. So overall, we are having SVC algorithm highest accuracy. In the graph analysis, we can compare the graph here and check which algorithm is providing the accuracy. Okay, XGBoost is 78.57, AdaBoost is 75.32, KNN is 79.22, SVC is 82.47. and decision tree is 75. Overall SVC algorithm providing highest accuracy. So we are going to deploy this at the user side for prediction purpose. Let's go to user and try to check it out. The okay prediction. Let's perform the login here first. Now we should be able to log in because the account authorization has been completed by the administrator. Login successful. Okay, you can see the dashboard of the user here. Number of login attempts is 1. Last login. Right now we are logged, so there is no last login. Number of predictions altogether, 2 predictions are there. Let's go to my profile and we can see here my profile. If I want to edit anything, I can edit here and submit. Let's go to the main concept of the project here. Predict. Okay, let's predict the details here, data. Diabetes prediction, main concept here. Let's provide the age here. Let's say 45. Glucose is 130. Blood pressure, okay, is somewhat 180. Skin thickness is 100. Insulin is 356. BMI is something. Diabetes predictive function something. And pregnancy is this. Predict. And with these values, you can see the warning diabetes is detected. It says these values predict that there is a diabetes in this patient. And we can see here diabetes is detected. Accuracy is 82.47% for our SVC algorithm. And we can see here accuracy, recall, and precision, F1 score. Okay, so this is the final outcome of our project, diabetes prediction. So hope you have understood the project concept very well. I tried to convey my information about the project, everything about the ML models and the development of the ML algorithms. We cannot explain in this video because it will be very lengthy. So just the overview of the project is explained very well. The flow of the project and the process and the idea of the project is very clear, it seems right now. Okay, so with this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.